What? I didn't even record. Well, anyway, let me start again. This is October something. It's Tuba City Parade. I thought I was recording early, idiot. Yeah, October 17th, 18th, but we are here. We are in Dennehotso, Arizona, and we were stuck in state of emergency. We barely coming out in 10 days.
10 days, correct.
10 days. And look, like what I was saying, the wash was here normally. And then this created here.
Fresh flood.
From the flash flood. And it went over to there, well, all the way to the road. You see the car, it was covered the whole thing. All the way. It was a good, better view. All the way. Look at that. That created too. That wasn't there.
This is where it went over.
Yeah. Okay, watch him. Be careful right here. Okay, so right here, this might go down too. So it's a ditch right here.
There's El Cap, Baby Rocks.
Oh, right there. This one. Baby Rocks. Cone Ridge. Right there. El Capitan. Right there. See that? Cone Ridge right here, right? All the way. Monterey Valley. Way back there. And then this way. Cone Ridge. It's on the there. Dennehotso. Suicide Hill. It's right there. Mesa. Suicide Mesa. Glass Hill. There. Go back around. There's Twisted and Dwano. Alright, let's go. Where Mom's waiting. Okay, I got him. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, this created. Look. This wasn't here. And then that one was here. Okay. That wasn't there. It got created. On the flood. By the flood. Whew. Yeah. Gonna pause the video and show you the rest of the road. On the road again. It's gonna look the road. Oh my gosh. Down that way. This way. The bus route, look at that. It is. What is this tree called? The Legita, I guess. There's a pit stop right here for Lonnie's. Just kidding.
The bootlegger, old bootlegger route. Road 6460.
So they say the people who live here, the locals, just kidding. I know, it's just a funny, huh? Yeah, the water was level to the road, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, try that side. Okay, right here is the wash. Over this. Oh my gosh, it's way up here. I can see it. If I can see. Watch him hold him. Oh my gosh, let's see. Okay, there. There you go, look at that. It filled up. You see the water line? on the trees all the way to here. And that's the wash. You can see it behind the thing that overflowed it all the way over to the other side, to right here, I believe. They fixed this road like 2 days now that the grader was going through, and it's okay. So we'll see up the road again. All right, go back. Oh my God. Yeah, this whole thing was level. Yeah, a lot of people miss a lot of work in school, yes. Okay, let me. Yeah. Now it's level right here. Why is that like weird? Weird looking. It looks like it's like dirty lens, but it's all level now from here, huh? Back there was it. Towards the hill. Somebody's turn off. See, they did people's turn off up here because they didn't even do our turn off towards our house. Huh? Oh, sandy now. Wet sand and sinking? Certain places, huh? It's old. Okay. Hi. Road 6460, Dennehotso. 3 miles to the chapter house. Now it's about probably 2. Oh, look at that part here. Look.
But there's the internet.
Never seen it in like 10 days. Yeah. Yeah, look at that, guys. You do that part.
Right there's the internet. This was not here. Aftermath, flash flood.
I didn't even know.
Big D.
I really saw that. Did you press play when you went out?
Yes, I did.
Well, it didn't even play. It was
No,
already
I
playing.
pause.
Oh, okay. Again, because this is awesome. Oh, look, came down from there. Water, water, water. Check it. We're going to go check the road. See if we can go through. This is the road right here and the road on top. Yeah. Good? Alright. Give the thumbs up. That means it's good. Reverse a little. was that way. But doesn't look like any tracks. Not that much any road anymore. That's the road. That's the road, and the wash is just over the hedge. Yeah, it overflowed. Look at that right here. Oh yeah, that is mud. The road's gone. Look at that. What are you doing? No, it's you. Oh, look, tried to go down there, but it didn't. He got scared and came up, huh? Probably sinked in right there, right? Oh, these. Look at this, the road. It literally is not a road. Right? They're fixing the road. I guess this is how far they went. Navigation dot. Stop it. You don't. Yes. Look, there's a whole bunch of trash came out over there now. Do you see that? A whole bunch of trash. Look at, remember when we watched that video? These came out first. The weeds, the twigs and branches and. Oh yeah. Yeah, so much trash. Oh, it is so much trash. Look at that. Aww. Look at these clothes. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I know. Alrighty then. Ah, great. But there's a cliff right there. Not cliff. Come on. Oh my gosh, look at that. Here. You do it while I watch him then. Check on this side. Oh my gosh, Sarah.
Million. The $100,000 road.
Okay. Here's the bridge that they were making in Dennehotso. Let's check it out. What happened? Laguna Wash? Laguna Laguna Creek. Sorry. Look at the road. There you go, look. It went all the way on top. The water. Went over. So this whole wash was, huh? Right?